coming when
Yes.
we're done.
Yeah.
That's going to be part of our
Speech.
Yeah.
We can't come back unless you help us.
Yes.
We can't come back unless you help us.
That's right. That's right. Just say
Yeah.
that. You know, and
Good.
they love free stuff.
Sure.
They would kill somebody if I would have some used clothing down here. They would really mug us for that.
Oh yeah, it'd be a free for all out
Yeah,
there. Yeah.
This is free for them. You see, in the hospital, they don't even go there, you know, to give a little money to take those kids there. You know, so those are the flip side that you see.
Now, and with Sal, just as I'm thinking of it, I told him twice today, you know, we're not here to steal his business,
No,
okay?
please do that.
You know, we're not here to start like a new clinic to run him out of business. That's
Yeah.
not.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's right.
I'm gonna keep telling him that.
Yes.
So I don't want him to.
He's not the only one. There are a couple of them, but you haven't seen them come over here. They are so threatening.
Where are all the
You guys
husbands?
been able to do
The husbands in the field working?
We've done one.
Yeah.
We're gonna take him more.
That's
There
what I
are
figured.
women and there
Yeah,
are
and
men
the
in the
mothers came with the children
Yeah.
to the clean out. Yeah.
So that's what's going on. They
Yeah.
were lined up for free stuff.
And those are cocoa beans out there, drying in the sun. Cocoa.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And so
I'm not gonna
you
take-
dry them in the sun.
Yeah.
You roast them.
Well, no, you start all, you go and pick it,
You pick it.
you break them, and
Break
take
'em.
the beans out of
Take
it.
the beans out.
And it's kind of like raw, mushy. I'm going
Yeah.
to take you to the farm.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
it's kind of mushy. And you're going to keep in a basket,
Yeah.
like a big basket, for 2-3 days.
Okay.
And what it is it takes the water, that
Yeah.
thick water out,
Okay.
and drain it a little bit, and then you take it and put it on the sun.
In the sun. Then you
2-3
dry out.
days, you
2 or 3
dry
days
it.
in the sun.
Yeah.
And then what's the next step?
It's sad.
So they put in a bag
Yeah,
and
they put it in
ship
the
or
bag.
sold or what? Now, what say if I'm going to make chocolate? How do I make chocolate for those beans? What do you do? Grind them up? I don't know.
You gotta
You gotta ask